is Good, where we tell you your future.
My dear Sagittarius, welcome back. Monday will be filled with extraordinary self confidence. You will be able to take firm decisions when it comes to work related issues. You will not face any difficulties in completing your tasks today and will achieve success. You need to guard against getting into any confrontations with your father or other elders. You need to make sure that you get proper sleep this week. Also, that you exercise well and change your eating habits. You shall feel mentally very strong and should take help of relaxation techniques like meditation and yoga to stay healthy. Try to quit all the unhealthy habits that you have to live a life free of tensions. On Tuesday, take a little break and spend some time looking within. At your office, there may be some bitter confrontations. Be very careful and try to prevent things from getting too difficult. In matters of love, a new romance may develop. You may enjoy a peaceful evening with friends. This week, avoid overeating at all costs, as indigestion is indicated. By keeping your tendency to overeat under control, you will prevent many ailments. You will also get relief from a recent ailment towards the middle of the week. However, this doesn't mean you can take your good health for granted. Make sure that you stick to a healthy diet containing fresh fruits and vegetables. Also, an eye problem is indicated, so avoid long hours in front of the computer. On Wednesday, the inner artist in you will come to the surface and you will showcase your imagination powers. You will be able to focus on topics of interest today. Those of you in the field of interest will find themselves moving ahead. There may be a signing of beneficial legal deals today for you. Today is going to be a very good and successful day. Complete physical fitness is indicated. You will be full of energy and determination, and that will keep you in an upbeat, good mood. You may be prone to some nervousness due to your anxieties. Take better care of your dietary habits, as this is a must to maintain stable health. Pursue some divine practices, as that will guide you to keep fitness levels high. On Thursday, you will be soaked in work today. During the day, you may be loaded with duties and responsibilities. However, evening has a different story to reveal. Exciting as ever, a getaway with friends may be liberating and relaxing. You are caught in a whirlpool of emotions. You may come across many ups and downs today. However, nothing seems to deter you from your determination and dedication towards work. You can't bear the weight of the heavy workload anymore. Very cleverly, you will complete your tasks, and slowly but steadily you take the load off your shoulders. Attentive and observant, you meticulously plan your actions and minimize the chances of errors. Today your efforts will not be effectively channelized, but it will not be a bad day also. The day could turn out to be a little monotonous for you. However, with proper planning and acting intelligently, you will achieve success in your endeavors. The day requires you to adopt an easygoing approach to witness better results. By being supportive and humorous, you will be able to handle stress effectively. You also need to be careful with your words while conversing to avoid unpleasant situations. On Friday, you receive some good news from the foreign shores. The day will bring on a positive note, and it will remain like that for the whole 24 hours. You will be in a good mood to marry, and it will be transformed to everyone around you. A reckless attitude is the root cause of any downfall. Ensure responsible behavior and actions at every step at your workplace today. Be alert and focused, and you will be able to dodge any incoming trouble. Today is a day of materialization, and the projects and other things that you have been working on since a long time will draw close to completion and begin to pay off. You will put in sustained efforts to make the day favorable. Be optimistic in carrying out your tasks and curb your anxiety. Spiritual involvement will keep you active. On Saturday, your thoughts and conversations about love, sharing, or cooperation will flow easier after retrograde Venus stations directly in your sign. You'll also be thinking about the future when it comes to a relationship and taking action on the insights that came to you over the past 6 weeks. Then it's ready, aim, fire when your Mars ruler enters your sign. Whether your target is the launch of your new relationship or another goal entirely, you will be superly motivated to achieve your desired outcome. Just be sure to consider the feelings of the people involved. You may have to face more commitments. It is advisable to be patient and take things easy. On Sunday, you're comfortable with contradictions, and today's day hinges on one. You can get exactly what you want so long as you don't try to get it. Let go of your desire to control, open up the heart, and let love flow. Some work-related stress may have you wanting to blow off steam, but quiet time with a certain someone is even more soothing. Your sensible side re-emerges this weekend, and you're able to look at your romantic situation with a realistic and perceptive eye. Take notes so you don't forget. This day will find you bright and optimistic. You will have the confidence to convert even tough tasks into simple ones. You will be more sincere in carrying out your work with efficiency. You will also be able to earn the goodwill of your superiors. You will find yourself relaxed and free while conversing with your partner. This frank approach will enable you to develop more harmony and understanding with your partner.
Money and career.
Monday is a favorable time with respect to your job. There are also chances that you will receive recognition from your superiors. New job opportunities will also be present. You may need to be more careful in handling your work, as there are chances for you to make mistakes. It will be wise if you plan your work accordingly. Work-related activities will be carried out with ease, thereby enabling you to earn a good name. You will also prove to be a good example for your colleagues, who will appreciate your skills. Additional responsibilities at the workplace will keep you busy. Work-related travel is also foreseen. You will not feel very comfortable at the workplace. Timely completion of tasks may not be possible. This may cause you worries. Proper planning will help in completing your assignments on time. On Tuesday, more work pressure is foreseen. It is essential that you handle work with care. This will be made possible by sensible planning. You are likely to see mixed results at the workplace. There will be both ups and downs. Be careful in negotiating with colleagues and higher officials. On Wednesday, the day will not be filled with much activity. Engaging in recreational and amusement activities will make you feel better. Smooth flow of things may not be possible for the day. The workplace may not yield progress. Lack of concentration will make you prone to commit mistakes. You need to be patient and careful while handling your duties. Rise in expenditure will be seen for the day. This may result in wastage of money and cause you some worry. On Thursday, anxiety and insecurity will be seen in you. You need to relax to enjoy good health. This is a favorable time with respect to your job. There are also chances that you will receive recognition from your superiors. New job opportunities will also be present. Financial progress will be smooth for the day. You will also be able to enhance your level of savings. You need to avoid taking any major decisions on this day. Try to postpone this to a future day. Be more positive in your mind, as this is very much required on your part for the day. On Friday, it will be difficult to discharge your daily activities regularly. Avoid taking major decisions for the day. You need to make yourself more relaxed. You will be able to discharge more responsibilities on this day. Try to involve yourself in spiritual practices, as this will bring you relief. The day could turn out to be a little monotonous. However, with proper planning and acting intelligently, you will achieve success in your endeavors. On Saturday, the day requires you to adopt an easygoing approach to witness better results. By being supportive and humorous, you will be able to handle stress effectively. You also need to be careful with your words while conversing to avoid unpleasant situations. You will put in sustained efforts to make the day favorable. Be optimistic in carrying out your tasks and curb your anxiety. Spiritual involvement will keep you active. On Sunday, you may have to face more commitments. There may also be a lack of comforts. It is advisable to be patient and take things easy. You have to adopt a patient attitude. This is required on your part, as it will guide you to more success. You also need to be more consistent in all that you do.
To get your daily prediction updates from our team of psychics, subscribe to Highest Good and click on the bell notification and never miss a prediction.